Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got another truck. This is a 2023 Ram 3500 Mega Cab 4x4. The Bighorn trim. It's well loaded. It's got the sport appearance package. It's got the cab lights. It's got the nice wheels. Brand new tires, all terrain tires, all 6 of them. We do have a receipt for that from Discount Tire. This is a cold weather group truck, so it's got the engine block heater, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated mirrors. Those are the telescoping and folding power mirrors. Got the running boards down there. Very nice. It does have an auxiliary tank in the back. There you go. It does have the 5th wheel package. Sport package right there. Very clean. It's got the nice rear cameras. Take a quick look inside here. It does have the Uconnect navigation with the big 12-inch screen. Right there. You've got Apple CarPlay and everything. This does have the Wi-Fi as well. There's your 4x4, push button start. We do have 2 keys and all the books. There's no sunroof in this one. 50,691 miles. It's low mileage for one of these. Really clean. Non-smoker. Does have the Alpine system with the 9 speakers and the subwoofer. Go ahead and put this in reverse and watch this pop up here. There's your reverse. You could also do the bed camera and the tow hitch camera as well, hitting the button. Dual climate control. Right there. Very clean. It's got the power seat. These are real nice and clean. They're not worn out. They're not dirty. You got rubber floor mats in there. Here's all your buttons for your mirrors. Got the big alternator, 220 amp. Level 1 group options. Very nice truck. Very clean truck. A lot of these get beat up, or they're used as work trucks, or they've got a bunch of miles from towing stuff. This was sourced locally here, so it's a Texas truck. Sounds good. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. We can do deals long distance. Finance deals are easy. Cash deals are easy. Get a close-up of these tires here real quick. Those brand new. Save you a lot of money there. So hope to hear from you on this one. Go ahead and like the video, please. Subscribe, that'd be great. Helps the algorithms, helps me. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. Probably leaving some things out, but there'll be a picture of the window sticker in the gallery. You can get a Carfax there as well. Hope to hear from you guys on this one, and have a good one.